Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this episode I want to show to you how you can replace UTFLE. UTFLE is damaged, like happen here. Look, you need to open your drum, right? You can get the new one at junkie place, or you can get the new one for 40 bucks, something like that. Only you need a Phillips screwdriver. Look, one here, you're gonna lose it to your left, alright? And one on top. It's very easy, guy. You can do this job in 2 minutes, and you can do it nice and easy. Look, you're gonna pull it out. Look. Look. It's going one. It's connected right here. One here and one here, alright? Look, when you put a new one, you be sure you align it right there. Look, right there, and you do a little pressure, and you got the new one. Alright? Look, this is the liner. 1, 2. It's connected right here. And you want to attach it here with the Phillips screwdriver, right? You connect everything back. You test it before you drive it. Go back to the highway. In this case, I'm going to clean out here. Things so dirty. And you save the ball because you never know when you're going to need it, alright? Nice and easy, guy. Ladies and gentlemen, replace it. The ball is very easy. Replace the whole frame. You're gonna need a number 10 too. Look, it's a screw here. You have to loosen the screw here and pull it out, right? Because in order to disconnect and connect the new one, you have to pull it out from here. Look, when you lose the screw here, give me a chance. Look, right here. You're gonna disconnect it right here. And connect the new one, and you have to disconnect the lighter here, look, and this thing is another screw here. Look, right here, feel it, and you have to pull it out the carpet. This is the right time to suck it up all the dirty there, clean it up good. All right, and this thing you only pop out. Look, this is secure. This is the way I attach it here. Alright, now you're just going to push inside like this, boom. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, don't let this thing keep me headed. Sometimes the tough to this come out, right here disconnected. Look, you have to do pressure here. You do pressure down and then you pull it reverse, alright? Sometimes keep me headed. Don't let this thing play with you. This is thing very simple, alright? Look, now everything nice and clean. Remember, this thing, the cover just pop out, right? And just pop out, and the way you put it back, you're just gonna do pressure, boom, boom, boom. All right? And nice and easy, guy. No complicated. The screw goes right here, the fillet, all right? And then you just connect there, and then you have your third light ready. All right? Before you mount it back, test it, right? Reverse. Stop sign and signal light. Be sure you do a double job. Test it first, and you're ready to go, guy. California to New York, to Mexico, to Costa Rica, Colombia, right? Alright, guy. Look, this is supposed to be nice and clean, alright? Look, now you're gonna connect this thing back right here. Look, no way to get lost, guys. Look, it's only this way. And go face it right here. Look, you want to connect and be sure this washer is adapting good. I mean, you don't have no waterproof problem here. Look, if this is your car or somebody else, you always prevent headache. Look, you protect like this. You get a piece of towel, you cover the bumper, right? Look, you want to connect it here first, alright? You want to go inside there first. You ready to go, guy? You got the new light. Look, and put everything back. Remember, this thing you're gonna go in, all right, by little pressure. Look, that's the way I attach it here. And the screw right here, the fillet, coming right here, all right? Look, that's the only way. And this edge here go under here, look. Connect the lighter here. You're ready to go, guys. It's a little heavy, but you take your time, enjoy it. Do this, you have it fine, all right? Nice and easy, guys. Put your carpet back, clean it good, you're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video, guys. God bless all of you. Hasta la vista, baby.